Hello everyone, welcome back to Delish Cuisine with SB. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are making a very quick Italian egg tortilla wrap, and it's perfect recipe for the breakfast. And if you are looking for a 5-minute 10-minute breakfast recipe, then this is the recipe for you. And we are using the Italian blend herbs for this, which you get easily in any supermarket. So let's get started. So first of all, I have taken a pan and I have added a few drops of olive oil on it. I toast the tortilla wrap, and you can get these tortilla wraps easily in the supermarket. So I am using the multigrain tortilla wrap. You can use any kind of tortilla wrap, vegan wrap, healthy wrap. There are many kind of wraps available. And then I take in the mixed herbs. This is a pack which is easily available in the supermarket, which contains the your basil leaf, rosemary, oregano leaves, and you can take this blend of herbs for your egg wrap. Then I have taken a pan and I have added 3 eggs in it, and directly eggs in it, and then I have added some amount of salt and the black pepper. You can add salt according to your taste, and you need to cook it on the one side, and then you can add the green chili. If you don't want to make it spicy, you can avoid the green chili, but I want it to be spicy, that's why I did a green chili. Or you can also add the red chili if you want. So I have added a green chili, and then I have added the all the mixed herb which contains the basil leaf or rosemary and the oregano. And at this stage you can also add some cherry tomato if you want it. And now we are going to cook it on both the sides. So you can must try this recipe for your quick breakfast. And now I am going to add some little bit of Thousand Island sauce to enhance the taste of this omelette. And now we are going to put the wrap. So people who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for this kind of amazing recipes. And you can now fold it and you can serve it in your breakfast, in your tea time or snack time. I'm sure you will love it. Thank you for watching.